Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Garfield Elementary School in Selma, California, part of the Selma Unified School District, home of the Grizzlies, and it's my first time at their school. Been a couple other schools in Selma over the years, but it's just an honor to be back here in this city, getting to share my heart. And today's focus was all about the heart, right? It was about bullying, but more importantly, it was about seeing someone for their heart before anything else, right? And our heart's as big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn that into this peace sign, right? One finger's ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself, but it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, we can say something so kind it's gonna uplift someone high as the clouds, stay on their heart in a positive way forever, or conversely, say something so mean that it actually could destroy a life, right? Stay in their heart in a very negative way for the rest of their life. And so the idea is that if we know we can empower others or bring them down, you know, the goal is, of course, to build them up. And I always talk about how our tongues, they have no bones, but they can do a great job at breaking someone's heart or helping to fix someone's heart. And no matter what someone's going through or what we're currently going through, we know we always have a choice how we're going to treat ourselves and others. I always say that hurt people is the biggest reason why bullying happens, but that healed people heal people. And if we choose to finally become healed in our hearts, you know, we can go out into this world and, you know, show people the same kindness that was shown to us. And a lot of that starts with, you know, really understanding our worth and our value and being able to see that not only in ourselves, but the people around us. So I always bring this up in all my assemblies, but all of us with the lines of our hand have the letter M. Trace one of mine here. We have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. But this M stands for miracle. The front of my shirt, upside down, W is for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to truly buy into this, right? Because a lot of people we interact with on a daily basis, some have never been told this, some have forgotten this, and we can be that light to their heart, right? And that's when I really, just really see the change. A lot of students, some of them that were close to tears today, because what was shared just really hit them at the heart level, and they really, took to heart what the message was. And to see that some of these young people are taking it so seriously of, kindness, not just during Kindness Week, which is coming next week here at the school, but trying to make that a part of their life, right? That every day we can be kind, every day we can choose love, right? And if we can keep that going, we start to make this world a better place, right? And for me, it's always encouraging when we can always relate this to the school mantra or the motto, and all across campus they have these different expectations on the wall, but it's saying right here that Grizzlies will be respectful, responsible, ready, and safe. Of course, today's topic, really focused on the respectful side, right? Treating everybody like you want to be treated, the golden rule type of thing, but also creating a safe environment, that everybody that comes here can feel respected for who they are, right? And it starts with each of us seeing people for that heart first. So thank you so much for touching my heart. Hope to be back again in the future. Have a great rest of 2024 for this school year. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.